We're going to add the second target, which is the Foursquare target, and we are going to use just one specific API from Foursquare, which is the Venues Explore API. Now we've got the two endpoints, Foursquare and the default one, which is open weather. But hey, how does the traffic get routed to those? That's where we'll add the conditional flows. We will add two conditional flows under the default proxy endpoint, which will support two specific URLs. So we are going to do city info and /weather to get weather information for the city on a GET call. And we're not going to specify the optional target URL over here. Do not do so, because that will send the request immediately to open weather, and we don't want that because we want to do additional processing before that request is made.